Okay, this is Wing Rider, just leaving the church. I've got my measurements for the project that I'm going to work on. I'll do a video on that later. It's a shelf that I'm building for something that somebody made for a memorial, and I'm going to put that on a shelf. And there's the Goldwing. But man, it is just a gorgeous, beautiful day to be out riding. It's a Friday, and I'm going to ride to Madison, the town of Madison here now. This is Hanson, Florida. And I want to be riding to Madison now. My grandfather helped build this church back in 1967. And that's where I went as a kid, my siblings and I. Okay. But the weather is just beautiful weather. I can't express how beautiful this weather is today, which is why I'm out doing this little project and getting some riding in since I'm retired. Let's see. Get out of this. I've mowed the grass out here a lot of times. My dad and me and my brother, and the guy over there's got old burros, jackasses. Blacktop here. All right. Man, what a beautiful day to ride. Sorry about that. I'm not good at impressions. Mr. Odom's old house there. That house is over 100 years old. Okay. Sit there for a second, let this traffic go by. There used to be a railroad that went through here when I was a kid, and there's a blacktop over here, a little walking path, Four Freedoms Trail here in Madison, that goes over that where the railroad used to go through. Yeah. Okay. Medicine. It was like 66 degrees here at 11 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock now, and it's nice and cool. And if it would stay like this year round, man, it says 75 on the temperature, but we just been parked back there, so it'll go down probably a little bit. All the cows and the flowers alongside the road. This is a beautiful time of year. This is May the 6th, Friday, May 6th, 2016. May is one gorgeous month. May and April. Man, around the 1st of April, talking about beautiful weather. That's when you open up the windows in the house and the fresh summer breeze blowing through. Just my favorite time of the year. Oh, wow. Anyway, I was telling you in the part 1 of this video about a girl I just met. If she watches this video, hello, Rabbit, and make you famous in the YouTube world anyway. My videos aren't the greatest. I'm no Hollywood producer, but I have a good time doing them. But I don't know what those flowers, daisies or something, I don't know what they call them. Maybe daisies. They just grow wild on the side of the road here during this time of the year. Right now I'm working, I've got a little mission to complete. A little project, a woodworking project that I'm working on, that I'm not going to get any brush on. I'll work on that, get it done out at the church. Pretty simple. There's part of Four Freedoms Trail. I've walked the whole thing. It's 12 miles long. I walked it last year, did it in 5.5 hours one time. I did it again after I got in a little better shape over a 6-month period of time, and did it in 4 hours. I think 4.5 hours. I cut an hour off just by losing 20 pounds, getting in better shape, and I could do it now probably in 3.5. Health is important. The right exercise and diet and everything is very important. That's why health costs are so high in this country. You got so many people that just don't care, overweight, smoke, and drink, and drugs, and that makes sense at all to me. There's a whole pasture full of those flowers. Bug got me in the side of the head. Okay, I'm not going to make long videos. Just putting up a few short little videos today. Upload later. Cruise control. But anyway, I'm going to take care of this little mission that I'm on, a little project that I'm working on. And I thought, well, I'm out riding, I'll get a little filming done, some videos, Moto vlogs. Mine are under Wing Rider, Moto vlogs. When I do regular videos, I just put Wing Rider and I explain the video. When it's a Moto vlog, I'll do Wing Rider, Moto vlogs. It kind of takes up half the space, but for what you're doing, you know, your intro, what you're typing in there, but I like doing it that way. Some people do that. Some people don't have any at all. They just type in what it is they filmed, I guess, beginning. So, you know, whatever the title of the video is, they'll put that in there. But anyway, this is beautiful country here in North Florida, the part I live in. It's got a few hills, it's hilly, and a lot of flowers and trees, and beautiful little town, and it's a wonderful little place. It was voted one of the, there's a sign, I'll run the video till I get into town here, it's one of the best towns in America. The best small, you know, little rural towns in America a few years back. They had a, like, number 10 or something, I don't know. Out of the thousands that are here, Madison, Florida Rural Community Award, 1996. Out of all the towns that was assigned, Rural Community Award, 1996. It's hard to say that, R-U-R-A-L, rural. American flags, but it is. It's a beautiful little town. And I like it small just the way it is. When I worked highway patrol down south, I lived in Sarasota County for 10 years, working down there at the post in Venice, and I worked my time in the metropolis. I loved the work. I liked the beaches down there, and I made a lot of friends. I just didn't care living there that much after a while. Anyway, I'm going to stop at the BK up here and get me a drink because I'm thirsty. And I need some gas too. Wing doesn't run on air. I'm going to whip in here and I'll kill this video, and I'll do one more part, most likely. Oh. So this is buzz on in. Okay. This Wing Rider, we'll talk to you in a little while.